Hi everyone, this is Rude Rocks GT. Today what I'm going to show you is a very short video. I like to keep them short and quick. Is how to get to your supercharger pulley for replacement. Now there are a lot of nice videos on the YouTube, on the web, that show you how to replace the pulley, but you know, I'm not taking the charger off, or I'm not going to remove the snout. But this is what I did, and I'm not saying this is the right way, but this is how I did it, and it works, and it's fine. Okay. The tools you're going to need, and again, keep in mind this is what I did. Okay, 13 millimeter for the screws on the support bar. Also, this is 11 millimeter to remove the screws for the fuse box, and then a 10 millimeter to remove. Now I already removed the screw, but I'm going to show you about it. Also, all hardware has been already loosened up just for sake of time. And of course, I cannot stress enough, is to disconnect the battery. Alright guys, here we go. First is remove the bar. And again, for the sake of time, all these are already loose. Okay, and I put the screws right up here on the strut. Oh, and also I'm doing this with one hand, so please kind of bear in mind that you get the idea, but you know, I'm not a professional by no means, but I just like to work on this stuff. The first thing I want to tell you real quick is there are 3 screws that hold the support bar. Okay, 2 are short, and then 1's long. Okay, the long one is in the back. All right, so just keep that in mind when you reinstall. Okay, now the second thing to do is to remove the 2 screws that hold the fuse box. And again, for sake of argument, it's already been done. Alright, let me just put this down here. Okay, put the bar on the side, keep it out of the way, make sure you don't scratch the paint. Now, this was the hard part. Let me get my flashlight here, and probably not going to be able to see it very well, but I'm going to try to show you. Way at the bottom there. Let's see, let me get shined up on it. Okay, way at the bottom, right? Okay, right there. Well, once you get into it, you'll know what I'm talking about. There's a little tiny clip. Now, what it is, that clip has already been disconnected, but it screws to the side, way down the side there. Actually, it's probably the hole right there for it, the screw. It's picking up something. Okay, way in the side there, there's a clip that holds the wires, the grouping of wires. Okay, then you're going to want to get down in there and remove the 10 millimeter screw. It's a little guy, so it doesn't take much. And then you're going to take this box and you're just going to pop it off. Okay, and then you're going to slide it up out of the way. And at the very bottom there's a plug with the red wire, actually orange and red. Disconnect it. Okay, and for sake of time, of course I already did. Now, once you get this box loosened, you're still wanting, remember, you're wanting to get to the old pulley, which is this right here. Okay, so you still want to get to that to put the new one on. Okay, pull the box up, and then you have to finagle it. But you got to get it to twist and turn towards the fender and hold it out of the way. And remember, guys, I'm doing this with one hand here. And then, now remember, this is not scientific. It's probably the wrong way, but this is the way I did it, and it works. Once you get that pulled out, there is the clip. Okay. Now you cannot move this box. You cannot move this box without removing the clip, or taking the bolt out to pull it off the side right down in there. Okay, once that's loose, you can take this box. You don't want to rough it, but you can move it enough to get to the room you need. And there it is, guys. There's the pulley. Of course, I went modular. You know, why not? If you go that far to pull that pulley out, that press on, you might as well press on the hub and change the pulley out in probably, I don't know, 8-10 minutes with the belt. Like I said, here's the old one and the new one. You can actually see it's quite a difference. quite a difference in size. Does it help? Oh yeah. Yeah, your boost is right on spot. You gain a lot more horsepower as far as changing the pulley, revs up the charger. And not to mention the sound is insane. It is sick, which I'll do a sound clip sometime on this car. This is a daily driver, but it's been tweaked out. The computer's been programmed. Of course, I'm at ZZP coils. Was it 10.5, I believe? Yeah, 10.5 mil plugs, 160 degree stat, and 2-degree Kohler plugs to keep it from detonating, you know, knock retard, all that stuff, KR. And then while I was at it, I went to short dog bones. But anyways, that's a whole nother video. If you have any questions, give a holler. I am going to end the video because assembly is just the opposite. It'll take too long. I don't have the ability to hold the camera and use both my hands. So it's a little over 6 minutes. I hope this helps out. And share, like, you know, smash that subscribe button. If you have any questions, go right ahead and ask. I'll always post when I can. And again, I'm going to end you with this. It is critical that you disconnect the battery. Because I tell you what, you know, if you pop a fuse in there, chasing it down, it's a nightmare. But this again is my daily driver. It is a 2007 Grand Prix. And of course, you know, it's a GT edition. Really nice, fun ride. By no means the fastest car that's produced, but I tell you what, it's a nice daily driver. You know, the power's there to get up and go. Other than that, guys, take care, keep safe, always wrench until there's no tomorrow, and just rock on, guys. Have fun. Take care. Rude Rocks GT out.